So today, got a little bit of a review about Atropos Demon. Took me about 2 months to get. Paid 150 bucks. This one's got bushings and then the latch gate and all that. So it's pretty nice. There's a handle play. I don't know why I just can't get this one to lock up. I mean, this handle doesn't have much for play at all. But there's a handle play. Let's see. This thing is almost 10.5 inches in length. I mean, put a mirror next to it once. It's just huge. The thing's massive. Stuff to say about this, it's channel titanium handles. It's a solid piece. The thing is 5.46 ounces. It's really light in the handles. It's got a slight blade bias to it, so I'm not a huge fan of it. I don't know, I like my knives a little more neutral, or a little bit of handle bias. What else is there? It took me about 2 months to get. It took forever for it to get to me. I really like the blade profile on this thing. The thing came super sharp. It's shaving sharp. I don't know, not a big fan of the finish of the handles. I don't know, there's some coating on it. Not too big of a fan of it. What is there to say about this? Yeah, like I said, it's got a little bit of a blade bias, so like Chaplin's, it just kind of wants to roll out of the hand, and the tang cups, you can really feel them when you're Chaplin. It just like grabs onto your finger. Yeah. Couple things. The hardware is pretty shitty. That's probably my only gripe besides blade bias. I mean, I just don't prefer blade bias, but I mean, somebody might. But yeah, my only real big gripe is the hardware. The hardware, these are hex keys, like Allen keys, and it's just really shitty. Like, I pulled this thing apart and like it just sounded like there was sand and shit in there, so I pulled apart to Loctite, and it's I don't know what they're called, but there's one bolt or one screw, whatever you want to call it, in the middle, and then your two male screws on the outside. So I mean, it'd be nice if it was just one that went, and then you just had one screw in, but it's just the middle spacer and then the two screws that screw into it. So it's another thing I'm not that big a fan of. But yeah, like I said, they're Allen keys. Like, those things are so easy to strip. Like, just not that big a fan of it. Besides that, I mean, it's really nice for, I mean, what you get. Like I said, I paid 150 for it, and it's pretty nice. I don't know what happened now, but you used to be able to pay through PayPal to actually get one of these, but someone screwed that up for him and put knife in the description over a Instagram purchase. Like, he put a knife in the description, so PayPal, he got his PayPal shut down. What else? Let's see here. Yeah, so now you have to go like Western Union, so it's kind of sketchy, but whatever. Yeah, and that's pretty much all I have to say about it. It sucks though, just going to his website, because it's all in Russian, and I don't know, I just downloaded Google Translate and translated everything so I could figure out like what the heck his website said. But yeah, so if you have any questions about it, just leave it in the comments. This might be going up for sale on Instagram or Facebook. I'm more so looking for trades possibly for it. But yeah, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments.